Right, so an update on where we are. Last time I showed you under the board, yes, with quite a few wires hanging down. So now, just to show you now, I have put quite a few more cables in. Servo switches are in place. All 23 of them, I think it is. As you can see now, there they all are. All connected up now. I've tied a few wires up, just keep them out of the way. Because I've now started, there's a Loco net cable as well. That's going to be connected up when I get my new bits. But as you can tell now, we have some switches. Now I went to me local, I'm saying local, 60 miles away shop, Digitrains in Lincoln, and they only had 2 in stock. Apparently they're having some distribution problems from the warehouse. Not from their warehouse, but from Yamato themselves, the distribution people. So I think a lot of shops are having the same problem in the way. Hopefully we'll get it all sorted, because I need another 3 of these, so there's going to be 5 along the back wall. And then obviously more when I get me Loco net, if that focuses, to connect up as well. I've also done more wiring down here. Let's see if I can come back a little bit. Now, I was originally thinking about doing Arduino for the, I think it's a Max 2560, probably the servo switches, but I'm not sure now. I might look at the Yamato, it all works on one program, make it a lot easier to use. But as for wiring now, look at this slot now. There's quite a lot more gone in. I have had to order more cable again. Another 120 meters of it, I think, roughly. But as you can see, it's getting there. And I've now also got power connected up at this end as well. So there's quite a lot gone on under the board. Now, I want to get out from under here. There's a couple of little changes above, which I'll show you in the next video, or attached to this one as well. And let me know what you think. Alright, see you when I'm up and about. See you in a minute. Right, so up above, the difference is now, as you can tell from underneath, I'll show you them Yamato devices. So the signal lights are now working. Not all of them, so I'm still waiting for more Yamato bits to arrive. But yeah, I've got some lights up and running. There's more lights to go in yet, as you can tell there's some platform lights ready to go in. There'll be more platform lights down here and down here. So that's probably going to be the next stage. We'll see how we get on. But I've also now powered as well the hotel. So not all lights. Not all windows, sorry, not all lights. All windows are lit, which I think is right to do. There's 20 altogether, so front, back, left and right. So that is all now lit up. And trains are in. All now controlled by Yamato DCC. Let's pan around and show you that. So there's a command station. See it there, look on the bank on my laptop. And then up above, there's my control. So I I have got 7 Locos at the minute, but I'm going to put 4 on there for now. But then that's all the switch out lights and everything else. So yes, there's a lot more to go on yet. And a lot more updating to do. But yes, it's looking good. Hope you like it. And I will see you again shortly. Bye for now.